The way we practice is changing fast. And the clinicians who adapt now, the ones who learn to work with AI, are the ones who will thrive. We became clinicians to help people, not to drown in documentation, chart notes, and admin that eats our evenings. AI changes that, and the providers still doing it all by hand, they're burning out while their peers are leaving the office by 5. Let me be clear, AI is not replacing clinicians. Your expertise, your judgment, your relationship with your patient, none of that is going anywhere. But AI is the most powerful amplifier we've ever had. And if you don't learn to use it, someone with half your clinical skill but twice your AI fluency will outpace you. That's why I built AI for healthcare providers, a clinician designed course that teaches you exactly how to use AI in your workflow. Writing notes in minutes, drafting letters and documentation, streamlining intakes, building systems that run while you're with patients. No jargon, no hype, just what actually works in a real practice. Imagine closing your notes before you leave the office, finishing your day on time, feeling ahead of your practice instead of behind it, your expertise multiplied. You don't need a tech background. You don't need to be an early adopter. You just need to start. Enroll today at privatepracticemadeeasy.com/AI for providers. The sooner you start, the sooner you get your time back.